On Monday, several pharmacies announced limitations on the amount of emergency contraceptives that one person can buy, anticipating an increase in demand following the overturning of Roe v. Wade. Here in Arizona, we're waiting to get some clarity on the law as to whether or not abortions will be banned entirely, which would impact the demand for Plan B, a drug that prevents pregnancy.
Team 12's Nyala Charles is in Phoenix with what is happening locally.
Emergency contraceptives prevent pregnancies after having unprotected sex. I talked to owners of small independent pharmacies within the area. They say they haven't noticed a change in demand for those products since they don't take a lot of walk-in customers. But other big pharmacies are watching the demand closely. Walmart already has a restriction in place for purchasing emergency contraceptives, and CVS just ended its purchase limit, saying demand is now back to normal. Pharmacy parking lots in Phoenix don't appear to be flooded with more customers than usual. But inside, people like Emily Flores are stocking up on emergency contraceptives. She chooses to use Plan B, known as the morning after pill, because it's the only one that doesn't require a prescription.
It's definitely going to be much harder to get that contraceptive.
Flores says she and her roommate started panicking once the Roe v. Wade decision leaked in May.
My partner and I don't want to have children. I'm not on birth control currently because it's not good for me. So, that's stressful to think, if I got pregnant, I have to travel to a different state.
She fears the overturn of Roe v. Wade may lead to an outright ban on abortions in Arizona.
And it's going to be harder for, lower income people.
Dr. Julie Quatra is an OBGYN in Scottsdale. She says she's already noticed an increase in demand for Plan B.
We think that it suppresses ovulation, but it does not stop a fertilized embryo from implanting.
Currently, emergency contraceptives are legal in Arizona. That would remain the case if Arizona bans abortions, but people still worry about the future.
I don't know what's going to happen in the next legislative session.
Walmart is limiting emergency contraception medication to 4 to 6 per person. If you're worried about your future access to contraceptives, Dr. Quatra has this advice.
Please stock up on Plan B. And I would tell anyone if they're thinking about, getting an IUD, this is the time.
In Phoenix, Nyala Charles, 12 News.
All right, Nyala, thank you.